Agad! Agad! Kaya na kanya na siya yan.
Gaya na na isa pa.
Sabi mo lang isang zero na yun. Add another zero.
Wow, dalawa! Wow!
Go with it.
Okay. Okay, one. Kuya Tony, mali na.
Okay, okay.
Ano na tayo ron doon?
Yan, one. Tinahan ko, no? Tinahan.
Yay, thanks.
Nanay from Basket Girl. Mila.
Ito mo ng pink.
Pink muna.
Ito mo ng pink.
From there, Basket Girl. Karang bukasa.
Diyan kita.
Depends.
It depends. Ay, hama.
Happy birthday, Grandma. A magnet for you. Grandmas are special. Yay. You make the world a happier place just by being you. Have a great day. Isabel Basti Mia. Thank you. To follow 200.
Ayan na, tupal.
Okay, to follow. Ano? 2,000.
Okay, let me change that check.
I'll put 1 0. Bukas din na yun. Bukas ng dati.
Yan na pala.
Tita Ad, hindi masinindihan yung ano.
Nabigay na natin yung gift.
That's enough for tonight for us.
Mama.
Oh, Mama. Ikaw na ka Mama.
Okay, Alexa, kayo naman. Portia. Sasa.
Wow.
Oh, Alexa. Saan si Portia? Sige. Portia.
Portia, picture kayo.
Hindi mo na ate. Kay ano. Ay, takula.
Hindi, okay lang.
Dahil nauna ng gift namin dyan.
Ano? Sige. Okay. Oh, ano?
Walang picture.
Ano? Portia. Alexa.
Grandma.
Alexa.
Grandma.
Oh, baby. Ito ni. Alexa. 1, 2.
Ay nga, Loki. Picture nagpapasa ako doon.
You make the world a happier place just by being you.
Portia, tanggalin.
Birthday with love. We love you, Nanay.
Tanggalin na lang.
Better soon.
Taas mo na.
Para makauwi na sa Pinas.
Wow.
Sasa, Portia, and Alexa. Don't stop making delicious food. Alexa.
Asan yung ticket? Saan na si ticket?
What is it? Nothing
Ano
inside?
ticket?
Ticket yung ano,
To Florida?
ticket to Pilipinas.
Ayun pang. Thank you, Alexa.
Apa.
Where's the ticket?
Where's the ticket to the Philippines?
Ay, pa pala.
Happy birthday!
Ay, baka mali sa cake. Baka mali sa kabila.
Kanina.
Ikaw naman sa kuya. Ayan. Galing sa tita Emily.
Sa Ellen, kita milin yan.
Si Mia nagtao. Thank you.
Atsana.
Tito Paul and Tita Milin.
Tito po man ano, bako man
Ah?
Tito po.
Si ano?
Okay, ready? 1, 2.
And my sister.
Dito naman. 1, 2.
For my sister, a keepsake bookmark for you. Sister, a word that means many beautiful things. Oy, lumalabas na. Warmth,
Wala, ano kaya yan?
understanding, and most of all, love.
Oh, wait 1 minute. That's well, there's more. Thank you.
Baby.
Thank you, Paul.
Pwede na pag-uli sa Pilipinas. Nakaipo ka naman 1,002.
Thinking back, today's standby brings loving thoughts for you. Of you, how close the two of us have grown and all that we've been through. I treasure all our memories. special times together and know the bonds of love we share mean more today than ever. Happy birthday. May God keep you and bless you with many more healthy years. We love you, Paul and Eric. Tomorrow, birthday ko pa sa aga, mama.
Birthday of the year. Pinakadakula yan.
Hey, birthday man ako!